Have you forgot your luggage bag passcode? Do you have important documents in your bag and want to unlock your bag within 30 seconds? My previous video on the same topic got very good response, but people are having a little confusion over this topic. So without skipping the video, watch the complete video and follow the tutorial. This trick works for almost 99% of the bags. Make use of it. Let's get started.
So here I am having my American Tourister bag. How you can reset the passcode completely even if you don't know the passcode. You can unlock your bag very easily. In the first attempt it may take some time, but if you know the trick, you will unlock even under less than 30 seconds. Let's begin. So my bag is locked completely. I don't know the passcode and it's not opening. If I try any combination, it's not working. So this is the trick. First you need to set all the digits in their home position. What's the home position? Let me tell you. I'll zoom in for a better view. So first thing you need to do is look for a rectangular slot or a gap under your dial. See? You see there is a gap under 8. In your bag, if you can't see it properly, use a flashlight. But I'll make sure it's visible from my side. You can see. So there is a gap. I am using a screwdriver to show you properly. See? Increase the brightness if you want to see it clearly. See, there is a gap between it. So there is a gap under dial 9. So in the same way you can find the gap under the next dial as well. Prefer using a flashlight to find it. Yeah, there is a gap under 0 as well. Let me show. Yeah, there is a gap under 1 as well. So one most important thing many people are committing mistakes here is the alignment of the holes. I aligned it on the right side. You can keep these holes anywhere you want, but they has to be in same position. In my case I kept all the things on right. So my base position is 901 and the gaps are positioned on the right. Make sure you do the same. You can keep either on left or right. For some dials it may be at the center. That's completely fine, but you have to make sure that all these gaps are on same direction, same location, right side. Or you can keep it left side or center, but they have to be on the same angle. Why I'm stressing this point is many people are committing mistakes here. So this is your home position. If you get this position right, the trick is very simple from now. This is your base position. If you press it, it may be your passcode, but if I press it, it's not unlocking. So this is not my passcode. One more thing you need to make sure is the dials are clearly visible from top. 901. You cannot place it like this, 2 numbers. There has to be 1 number on top that's clearly visible, and you have to make sure about these gaps. Right? Got my point? So let's proceed to the next one. So from here we'll move on to the step 2. So what you can do is you can add +1, +1, +1 or -1, -1, -1. Either way you are moving all the 3 dials in same direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction with 1 digit. If you reach this position, you will only have 10 combinations to work out for. So within that 10 combinations, you will be getting your lock passcode. So let's add 1. In this case I'm taking out 1, -1. So 0 -1, 1 -1. And press the button to check for the lock passcode. So this is not my passcode. 7, 8, 9. So this is also not my passcode. 6. Make sure the dials, make sure the digits are clearly visible on top. 7, 8. No. 5, 6, 7. No. 4, 5, 6. No. 3, 4, 5. No. 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's it. 1, 2, 3 is our passcode. See, if you know the passcode, you can reset it easily. Let me show you again. So this 1, 2, 3 is my passcode. So this is not a gimmick, and this is an unsafe part of these number locks. I prefer using padlocks for these type of bags. So 1, 2, 3 unlocked. Let me show you again. See, it's not working. Let's make it to 1 2 3. See, this is how it works. Very easy, right? You can unlock your bag now and have fun, have a safe journey. And thank you for watching this video till here, and meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.